Hi everyone, welcome to Turkish Lessons. My name is Yasin. Today I would like to talk about the quantitative forms of question sentences, such as how many and how much. We have two different titles for this. For example, for how many we say in Turkish, there are two different ways. Kaç adet, which means actually literally how many pieces. Adet means pieces, or tane means pieces, same way. But we prefer either of them, doesn't matter. Kaç adet usually we prefer for orders or for items, and for people and for other things we use tane. So in Turkish, for how many we say kaç adet, or you can say kaç tane. And for how much we say ne kadar çok, or you can say ne kadar. Ne kadar. This is a question form. Don't forget this. I will make it much better for you with many different examples to make it easy. So as you know, in English, many is used with plural nouns, but in Turkish, we don't use it at all. So for example, how many people? After how many in question forms, this is a rule you must use plural nouns. All right, so let's see here. Kaç tane, or you can say kaç kişi. All right, but we don't say kaç tane kişi. We just say kaç kişi. All right, so kaç kişi, kaç kişi, how many people? Kaç öğrenci, kaç öğrenci, kaç ev. Kaç ev means how many houses. Kaç müşteri, kaç müşteri, kaç otel, kaç otel, kaç çanta. Or you can say kaç tane çanta, kaç tane otel, kaç tane müşteri, kaç tane ev, kaç tane öğrenci, kaç tane kişi. Kaç tane kişi? No, not really actually. We don't use it. We prefer kaç kişi. So here, let's get back here. Kaç çanta, kaç yolcu. So these are the ways that how we use in Turkish. So don't forget, we don't use plural nouns after kaç and after plural noun. No, we just prefer to use singular nouns, unlike how many people in English. So now it gets to how much, which means ne kadar. Ne kadar. If you know how to use how much, which is the same in Turkish. All right. So we don't use countable nouns normally with plural nouns. We prefer, actually we use actually uncountable nouns after how much, just like same as in English. How much tea, how much sugar, how much water, blah blah blah. So in Turkish we start like this: ne kadar çay. This is the important point. Ne kadar, ne kadar, ne kadar çay, ne kadar şeker, ne kadar su, ne kadar kahve, ne kadar hava, ne kadar nakit, ne kadar nakit, ne kadar para, ne kadar. Let's repeat one more time. Repeat with me or after me, please. Ne kadar çay, ne kadar şeker, ne kadar su, ne kadar kahve, ne kadar hava, ne kadar vakit, ne kadar para. So here we say for how much, ne kadar. For how many we say kaç after noun. We use noun person. All right, so we say or either way, kaç tane. So let's see more example here. How many people are there? In Turkish we say kaç kişi var. Kaç kişi var. If you remember previous in the previous lesson, I talk about there is, there are, and negative forms. This to practice these forms here with how many and how much. Kaç kişi var? Kaç yolcu var? Kaç yolcu var? Kaç öğrenci var? Kaç öğrenci var? Kaç masa var? Kaç masa var? Kaç sandalye var? Kaç sandalye var? All right, so here are the English forms as well, which helps you learn it very easily. All right, if there's anything missing, please let me know. So let's get to this part. Ne kadar çay var? Ne kadar çay var? Ne kadar kahve var? Ne kadar kahve var? Ne kadar şeker var? Ne kadar şeker var? Ne kadar su var? Ne kadar su var? Ne kadar yiyecek var? Ne kadar yiyecek var? Well, here I forgot to put the English form, which means how much food is there? How much food is there? So these are the examples here actually for you to practice. If you think that you need more practice, please watch this video one more time. That will help you more. So let's get to the summary part here for how many forms. In English, you should use plural nouns and after are there blah blah. But in Turkish, we don't need to use this. We just directly say kaç tane or kaç after we use noun part, which is singular form. And after whatever blah blah in the sentence, though finally you should complete it with var. Var. Okay. So when it comes to how much form, we start like ne kadar blah blah var. Ne kadar blah blah var. Example, how much water is there? How much time is there? For example, let's get to one simple example before I finalize my lesson here. Positive, negative, and question form. The English translation of the sentence is there are a lot of children. There are a lot of children. So a lot of means bir sürü, which is informal and formal way actually we can say in Turkish. Bir sürü. Let's see here. Evde bir sürü çocuk var. Evde bir sürü çocuk var, which means there are a lot of children in the house. There aren't a lot of children in the house. Evde bir sürü çocuk yok. Evde bir sürü çocuk yok. Question form. Evde bir sürü çocuk var mı? This is the question word, as you remember in my previous lessons of Turkish learning. So, mı is a question word all the time. You should use actually to make a question form. So, if the answer is yes, so you can say evet var. If not, hayır yok. Evet var, hayır yok. So this is the work questions, which is WH questions. So how many children are there in the house? How many children are there in the house? Evde kaç çocuk var? Evde kaç çocuk var? You can say a lot, or you can say there are a lot of children in the house. Either way is okay in Turkish. So in Turkish we say bir sürü. We can keep it short here. Or you can say bir sürü var. Bir sürü var. Alright, now this is the end of our lesson. If you have any questions about this lesson, please write your comments about under the below the lesson on YouTube. And I really appreciate your time and for watching this lesson. If you have any questions or feedback, please do not forget to write your comments. Thank you for your time. Bye for now.